if it's me or it's our hens. In Denmark he's called a fasan. I guess in the United States it's a pheasant. Majestic looking animal. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I will be showing you my favorite knot, the snake knot. This comes in a long variety, forms, lengths, colors. These ties are very practical to get some better grip if you need to take something out of your pocket, for example this small Victorinox multi-tool, or just if you lose your knife, then it's more visible with the bright orange color that I use. So let me show you how it's done. So I have my Paracord and I have my small Victorinox knife. This is around 2 feet of Paracord. So now you have 2 strings. So you take the first one and you put it over and under, like this. Then you take this one, you put it under and in this loop, and then you pull it together. And then you need to know that you can make the snake knot all the way up here, or you can make or leave a bit of space here. I like to leave a little space because then I can still hook it to something if I need to do that, for example a carabiner on my side or whatever. So I will tighten it here like this, and then you have your first knot like that. Then it's just rinse and repeat until you get the length you like on your Paracord. But I'll just continue and show you how it's done, and then we will see the result in the end. So I put it over, I put it under, like this. Then I take the other one and put it under, and put it in the loop and pull it together. Then I need the knot to go up here, so I just use my fingers to place it where I like. It's important that you keep the first knot tight, so you can tighten the other knots against it. So like this, I will just pull, and then you can manipulate the knots with your fingers like this. You see, I can make the distance between the knots smaller. So, and I like my knots to be very tight. So now we have 2. The longer the knot gets, the easier it is to control it and make a faster pace when you're knot tying. So as you can see now, I have gotten my preferred length, and I have these leftover strings. I usually just cut them where I think it's appropriate. You can do whatever you like, but as you can see, I have already used my lighter to burn the ends or melt the ends, just to have control of them. But let me just show you what I usually do. You can do 2 things. You can have these ends just being here. I usually cut them right here. I'll show you in a minute. Or you can just cut them down in the end and melt the whole thing, so you have no cordage in the end. If you do that, it's not that easy to open this up again if you want to do something else or make it shorter or whatever. So I usually keep some cordage here so I can open the knot up and redo it if I like. So let me just show you. Just take and cut them in the preferred length, like that. And then you take your lighter and you just burn them. When you do this, take care. If you melt the polyester string, they can drip with liquid plastic, and that burns really bad. So take care when you do this. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe if you like the content and want to see more. Have a great day.